XPEV stock, is just the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. XPEV, first things first, they were 4.5% off for the day today, and this does look very bullish. So where the heck are we heading next? From what I'm looking at is that I'm waiting, of course. This, I have it pointing towards the downside, so like this doesn't mean that like I'm short right now at the moment. No, this will only really be short if we start breaking lower than 10.07 and then that second break, because higher time limits are very strange. This is why this is even on the chart. You know, now if you make new ranges, this is going to be modified, and this is why I always say like just stay tuned, because like charts are developing and never-ending things that just spit out new candles every single day. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and it's a free course. How reviews are 5 stars?